In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a folder in Google Drive. We'll go from opening Google Drive all the way to having a neatly named folder ready for your files. Even though the process is quick, I'll walk through each part slowly so you know exactly what to expect on your screen and why each step matters. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. The easiest way is to go to your web browser and type Google Drive into the address bar, or search for it and click the official link. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your Drive interface with any existing files or folders laid out in front of you. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. This button is your starting point for adding anything in Drive, including folders, files, and Google Docs. Go ahead and click the New button. When you do, a small menu will drop down with a few options. From that menu, you're going to select Folder. This option is usually near the top of the list. Clicking Folder tells Google Drive that you want to create a new empty folder that you can organize files into. A small window will pop up in the center of your screen asking you to name this new folder. Now it's time to type the folder name. Click into the text box and enter a clear descriptive name. Think about how you'll use this folder later. For example, instead of something vague like stuff, try something more specific like work documents, school projects, or vacation photos. A good name will save you time when you're searching for files in the future. Remember, you can always rename the folder later, so don't stress too much about getting it perfect the first time. After you've typed in the folder name and you're happy with it, look for the Create button in that same window. Go ahead and click Create. As soon as you do, Google Drive will add your new folder to your My Drive area. You should see it appear either at the top of your file list or among your existing folders, depending on how your drive is sorted. To double check that everything worked, you can click on the new folder to open it. Inside, it will be empty for now, but this is where you'll drag and drop files from your computer or move items that are already in your drive. If you change your mind about the name, you can right-click the folder, choose Rename, and enter a new title at any time. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner, selected Folder, typed a name, and clicked Create. With that simple sequence, you now have a dedicated place to store and organize your files, making it much easier to keep your digital life tidy and manageable.